Okay, another attempt. I'm going to attempt the synchronization of the audio and video, see whether I can get this done. So let's just have a look, a little tour of Luton Airport. So I'll go outside. It gets a bit noisy when I get outside because of the engines. To be honest, I might actually cut the engines. Let me just have a look to see whether I can cut these engines. It's the cross feed. Engine start. Let's oh, they're not starting. Oh well, just have to do it on the outside. Let's go outside. Let's get some elevation. That is Luton Airport. Move away from the noise. Move back a bit. That's the aircraft. The Boeing 737-800, Ryanair. Attempted to fly that to Dublin yesterday. Mixed results. I did actually land it. But then the system just went into frenzy and took over and crashed. But this is basically the taxiway that we would follow down to runway 26, which is at the end. We're not going to go all the way down. We'll just turn around, get to the other end of the runway that we would take off on. You see Luton in the background. Capability green, the long-term car park, quite good effect. You've even got the new style input for the quick drop-off. You've got Vauxhall down here, although there's not much elevation on the Vauxhall plant. I don't know, just a little bit. So that's Vauxhall Motors. You can come down to the railway station. So this is the railway station. So it's quite a good modelling, but we'll stop it there and try and sync it up.